KORSCH is a global leader specializing in the manufacturing of tablet compression systems. For more than 100 years, we've been producing tablet presses in our Berlin location, primarily for the pharmaceutical industry. Industrial Edge enables KORSCH to make the most of its production data. That's because the company benefits from the lower latencies and because all data processing is performed locally on the Edge device. All the data is also stored locally on the Edge device, which is another good argument for a sensitive industry like pharmaceuticals. KORSCH uses its Industrial Edge system to support machine maintenance, increase transparency for production parameters, and also reduce downtimes in the event of a failure. The Semantic Edge solution allows us to respond flexibly to the market. A great deal of the information from other customers has also gone into this product. This benefits us. We don't have to develop it ourselves, and that's what we see as the main advantage of this solution. We're currently using 3 different standard solutions from Siemens. One of these solutions is Performance Insight, which provides us with the information on machine's performance. We use Machine Monitor, which helps us to monitor maintenance cycles so that we can also guarantee fault-free plant operation. The third application that we use is Semantic Notifier. It can notify everyone in the company when it becomes necessary to intervene. It can monitor the process and in this way supports regular operation.
Den Prozess zu überwachen und den regulären Betrieb aufrechtzuerhalten.
The major benefit of the Notifier app is that it reduces downtimes to a minimum because it immediately notifies me directly. After all, almost everybody carries a smartphone. Our collaboration with Siemens is excellent. We have a direct line to contacts who provide us with expert support. I also have to say that the collaboration is very trust-based. In addition to all the control technology that we and Siemens collaborate on, the future will largely be dominated by artificial intelligence and data analytics. This is a very important theme in the industry, so we need someone who is actively engaged with this topic as we are, which is why Siemens is our first choice. With KORSCH machine development, we're currently discussing specific application scenarios in which artificial intelligence is used for predictive maintenance, as well as scenarios in which it is used for implementing new operating concepts such as voice control for machines. I see Industrial Edge as the foundation for further development. We continue to use it. There are so many options thanks to the system's openness. We can rely on technologies like artificial intelligence as well as other technologies that we want to use. Industrial Edge provides a good basis. We know our customers, and Siemens knows the technology.